Sunday, January the 26th, 2025. And this is the remnants of the Gulf Coast snow. All of this ice fell off of the roof onto the roses and off the roof over here onto the azaleas. Got a lot of broken branches. Hey guys, it is January the 26th, 2025, and we are literally just getting back from Hawaii and going to survey the damage done from the big snow they had down here on the Gulf Coast. This is what happened to my greenhouse. I haven't been inside it yet. I'm literally seeing it for the first time right now too. So we'll see if anything's even salvageable from inside. Also, the weight of the snow on the roof of the screen enclosure on the pool. As you can see, still some snow laying in there. Let's take a look to see what. Oh yeah, lots of pieces have been torn out. It's a mess. Torn out sections over here also. All right, let's take a look inside. Oh wow. Still pretty warm in here though. Maybe if Mary will make it. We'll go take a look on the other side. You see where just the weight of the snow just bent and fell in on everything. Take a look in the other end down there real quick. Yeah, bowed the sides out all the way over here. Gotta get those water pockets off the top so I can try to raise it back up some maybe. All right, let's take a look inside this end. Oh yeah. Can't even get in this side here. Still warm in here though, ish. All right, let me put this camera down and go on the other end and see if I can't start lifting it back up. All right, so I've taken the broken plumeria and cut them up to let them callus off. Hopefully they weren't damaged too much with the cold weather, and be able to start some more plumeria from these. I have got in this end over here and got a couple of pieces of wood bracing the roof a little bit just to get it up off of the plants. The frame of the greenhouse is destroyed. It'll have to be replaced, so I'm just going to make do right now, but do have it where we can get in the end of it now. Not as bad as I thought. A few broke plants, but I think they're going to make it. It's not perfect by no means, but it's a lot better than it was. So it is up off of the plants right now. Hopefully rain won't collapse it back down. I've got some more rigging to do to make it stay a little better. And that's going to be the daily vlog for this Sunday, January the 26th, 2025. Back from Hawaii. More videos to come from Hawaii and more daily vlogs.